It is Samantha from Mindful Reviews, where we review everything. Hey, this is Samantha from Mindful Reviews, where we discuss and review. Hey, this is Samantha from Mindful Reviews, where we talk about all things health and wellness. So today I'm going to be talking about skin brushing. And skin brushing is something that I have done for about 4 years. It's something I found out about while living in Portland, and it's something that anybody can do. It's basically getting a brush like this. I got mine at Walmart. The brand is Eco Tools. Yes. But you can also order it on Amazon. So basically what you do is you start like this with your arm, and you start slowly brushing. And this is prior to a shower, okay? So you start brushing your skin, and then you brush your neck, not your hair. And then you do it all over your body. So basically what you're doing is you're pushing so basically what we're doing when we're doing this is we're stimulating what's called the lymphatic system. And the lymphatic system is basically your body's elimination system from a lot of your organs and your skin cells and your any sort of bodily fluid is what I'm trying to say. So basically this helps stimulate, kind of like, come on now, stimulate the system here. It's like a on button for the lymphatic system. So there are places specifically that you want to focus on when you're focusing on the lymphatic system. The first is underneath your armpits, which sounds really gross, but it's not. So you really want to, when you're using this brush, you really want to get in there and scrub, like not with soap, but just dry brush, okay? And another place that you can do is is between your legs, on your thighs, and like right there, kind of by your pubic area, because those two places where a lot of sweat and buildup are housed. And so what you want to do is you want to just get in there and scrub, and then when you're done, hop in the shower and make it like a lukewarm shower and get some eucalyptus mint and lavender oil. Now, I don't know if you can find that at your local Whole Foods. You might have to make your own, possibly. And what you do is you put it like just a little bit on your hand, and then put some eczema soap, something really, really gentle, and just scrub your whole body with maybe a loofah. And then basically what you're doing is you're polishing. So you're getting all the impurities out of your body so that your body can eliminate everything better. So you basically, when you're skin brushing, you're brushing all the unwanted things from the top of your skin, and then you're stimulating the body underneath to say, okay, it's time to do some elimination, and you're eliminating those things and you're getting that detox going. So this is my video on the lymphatic system and skin brushing. I will put down below a link to buy this. Also, I will put a link to the scrub that I use for my body. And if you could please like and subscribe to this video, you would be making me so happy. I really like doing this YouTube stuff, but it's hard if I don't have subscribers or people who are liking my videos. So everything helps. And as I grow, you grow with me. And I don't forget the people that grow with me. All right, guys, this is Samantha. Hope you're having an awesome day.